Hey YouTube, it's that song here, and today I'm about to play another downloaded game. It's called Nuclear Throne, and if you want this game, it's an easy way to get it. Just go to Game Edo and go to the end section and download Nuclear Throne. That's how you get it. So if you like this gameplay, remember to subscribe, like, ring that notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, we're about to go on. I just gotta wait for it to load real quick here. Oh, it did not work. Okay, let's try this again. Try not to make the video too long. Okay, guys, we're back in it, so let's go.
We can show this.
Does it work? If you guys can't see me, it's probably this game's fault. Hold on. Hello? Let me see something real quick. Okay, it might not work. Let me try this again. Okay, I figured it out, so let's go. So this is my favorite character, Crystal, right here. I'm about to see some really good action. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Let me get this grenade launcher real quick. If you ever play this game, do not use the grenade launcher up close. It wrecks your game. So what a character I'm trying to get is Horror. Oh yeah, and one of his specials, it can deflect bullets. So let's get that. No, and you have to get sucked into the chest. So you have to get sucked into the black hole and get power up. So I'm just gonna shut up right now. So let's just get this. Boom, bam, right there. Let's just explode this guy right here. I think I missed. Okay, I'm about to go. Let's go. So the character I'm trying to lock in Horus. The character I'm trying to unlock is Horror and the Illuminati guy. So if you like these type of games, like dang it!
And it's supposed to be an emoji version.
Oh, emoji? Okay, it's an emoji.
It's the MOG version of that square on the Illuminati.
Okay, I'm a boss with the pistol. Let's just go. Alright, yeah, and make sure you check out other people like Spicy Mangoes, Gonzalo channel, Pineapple Implosion, and
make sure you get your Fortnite shirts.
Yeah, make sure you get your Fortnite shirts. The Fortnite merch. Okay. I'm about to go over here because I'm trying to not to get any of these canisters. And Jose, if you're watching this, don't say I'm back. Okay, I get the screwdriver. So how you get the Illuminati?
You have to go
you have to go to level World 3, which I haven't got to yet, but I will get to it.
You have to get farther in this game.
Yeah, you have to get farther in the game. That's what my brother said. Just taking on my spread.
Tony got the Illuminati thing.
It's his friend. Just to let you guys know. I cannot take this screwdriver or this wrench.
And Tony's not a YouTuber.
Okay. Energy pistol.
Oh, I have one of those. It's a blue
Energy pistol. Okay, get this. Shotguns are actually good to use on gigantic maggots. So, like, yeah. Everybody's about to... machine gun. Okay, now everybody's dead. Oh my gosh. Why just... Let's go. Bam. Bam. Yeah, like I said, you can deflect bullets all the time. So, that doesn't really matter if I... Okay. Where is everybody? So, like, if a portal doesn't open up, that means, like, nobody... I mean, not everybody is dead. Okay, I got this full. Give me the bullets. Yeah. Okay, then you can, like, get power up. So, what I'm going to do is fast feet, because I'm really good with fast feet. Okay, this is the whole room part. I got my shotgun now. I mean, not my shotgun, my machine gun. Sorry, I'm not really good on camera. Hold on, I gotta try to shovel real quick. Oh yeah, this is the boss. Say hello, boss. And he's gonna die real quick. Guys, I get really mad. Okay, let's go. We're gonna try to get horror. Did you see that green figure? If you did, that's horror. That's the character I'm trying to get. But you gotta actually defeat him before you do anything. So I need the screwdriver. That's good. Okay. Bro. Okay, he's gone. And next time I make a video, we will be playing. We will be playing FNAF World. Yeah, nuclear.
Did you finish your dream box?
Yes, I showed you.
Did you do your Lexia?
Yes.
Do a whole bunch of it. Hey, make that your journey flow more easier than that. Put everything inside that
Hold up, I gotta do something real quick, but I'll be right back. Just be patient. Okay, and I'm back. Oh yes, this is the disc gun. Be careful with it. It can kill you. It can kill you, but it bounces off. See, I just killed 2 kills, brother. Yes. Got you. Yes. No HP. Okay, let go. Need the revolver back. Alright, so what I'm doing here is killing everybody because I'm a boss. And there's a scorpion right there who's a bull crap. And I can't even do anything because of the spider. Because they want these little maggots.
And I'm gonna do my dream box.
Okay, I gotta get that shotgun. You see that shotgun right there? That's mine.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah. Slugger. The slugger is a little bit different from the shotgun because it has like a bigger range. And it like see, that's like one big bullet, but it's really, really powerful. Okay, we get this power up. Alright, we're about to go. Oh, yeah. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, I killed him with this one bullet. Give me this. Oh, dang it, boss. It's hard to beat the boss like when everybody's coming at you. It's like not fair at all. Okay, after this round, guys, I'm gonna show you another. I'm gonna give you a little taste of what the next video is gonna be like. So, no, actually about 2 more rounds. So, yeah, if it's not too long, because I can only record for like 15 minutes. All right, let's go.
How do you switch weapons?
You gotta press space.
Oh. Okay, that's good.
And if you wanna know, if you download this game, you wanna know how to do stuff, just hit me up in the comment section.
Can't get the Illuminati person anymore.
I know. I think I have to get a screwdriver. Oh yeah.
Screw them all.
It's.
Or I dare to screw them all. Screw them all. That's the part that I
See, horror. Okay, I'm exiting this game. You know what? I'm about to give you a taste of what the next video is going to taste like. Okay, we're gonna be playing FNAF. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. We're gonna be playing FNAF World. Yes, I said it. FNAF World. Hold up, I gotta fix something. Okay, we're back. So I'm gonna fully do this, and then we're gonna play Delta Room. Start with 2 16. I'm gonna do an adventure. And I'm normal, guys, cause nobody. Sorry, cause nobody's perfect, guys. So let's just get into this. I didn't know mango, Foxy, this, Bonnie. This is just my second team. So yeah, okay, let's go. Well, you need to assign all party members first. Hold on, real quick, guys. I gotta. Okay, bye, guys. See you later. Big one.